I was just about to melt some cheese on chips if you want to stay for a sad single-guy dinner.
You going oven or microwave?
Microwave. I don't know how to turn on the oven.
Those, chips are gonna be chewy, Peter.
And if you're not scared yet, here's some footage of people sneezing at a salad bar.
Oh, dear.
Here's some footage of people licking subway turnstiles.
Oh.
Here's some footage of a man with the flu making out with you while you're asleep.
Oh, my God!
We lost, Brian.
Oh, crap, we're screwed.